play Easter hopscotch. Ready, everyone? Hop and jump. 3, 2, 1. Look out! A spinning pole. Jump over the top. Careful not to get knocked down. Jump and hop. Bounce and pop. Made it! Bounce like the Easter bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Play the Easter hopscotch race. Jump, hop, bounce and pop. Look out! Moving blocks. Bounce up high, don't stop. Ready for the next player. Jump and hop, bounce and pop. Your turn. Bounce like the Easter bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Play the Easter hopscotch race. Jump, hop, bounce and pop. Look out! A bouncy ball. Bounce up high, don't stop. Boing, boing, all around. Jump and hop, bounce and pop. Oh no! Yi has slipped and had a fall, but she's not hurt, not at all. The ball has bounced her in the air towards the finish line. Right there. Bounce like the Easter bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Play the Easter hopscotch race. Jump, hop, bounce and pop. Bounce like the Easter bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Play the Easter hopscotch race. Jump, hop, bounce and pop. Let's play again.